Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Awesome Math number 21.
Awesome Math number 21. So today we learned about how to find the greatest common divisor using factoring.
Yeah.
So it was much like yesterday how we talked about the least common multiple using factoring. Today we're going to find the greatest common divisor using factoring. And we'll do this problem, which is was it one of the examples or one of the homework problems? I don't even remember.
I think it was one of the examples.
Okay, so greatest common divisor of 120 and 96. How are we going to do that?
Well, first we have to factor 120 and 96.
Okay.
So 120 is 2 times 60. Then this is 60 is 2 times 3. 2 times 15. And then 3 and 5.
Okay.
So 120 is 2 cubed times 3 times 5.
Okay, 2 cubed times 3 times 5. I'm just going to reach for this eraser that's right next to your foot. Okay, now how are we going to factor 96?
96 is 2 times 43 since it's 2 times 48.
2 times 48. Okay.
Since 45. 2 times 45 is 90.
Yeah.
Then this is 2 times 24. 2 times 12. 2 times 6, which is 2 times 3.
Whoa, a lot of twos.
Yeah. So 96 is 2 to the 5th times 3.
Okay.
So now we have to find the stuff in common here. For instance, 96 does not have a 5, like 120 has, but 96 has a 3, and 96 has a 2 to the 3.
Okay.
So the greatest common divisor would be 2 cubed times 3, which is 8 times 3, which is 24.
Okay, so the greatest common divisor is 2 cubed of, what was it, 120?
120.
And 96 equals 2 cubed times 3. That's what's in both of them.
Yeah.
There's a 2 cubed and a 3 here, and there's a 2 cubed because it's a 2 to the 5th,
Yeah.
and there's a 3. Okay, and this is 8 times 3, which is 24. Now, what other technique could we have used to find the greatest common divisor?
Well, the Euclidean algorithm.
All right, you want to do that and see if we get 24?
Yeah.
I don't think this will be too long using the Euclidean algorithm. Go ahead.
Well, first we have GCD of 120 and 96. Then we have to do this. So this is 24.
Okay.
So this is GCD of 24 and 96.
All right.
So 96, 20. This is going to be this is going to be 72.
Okay, so the greatest common divisor of 24 and 96 is the same as the greatest common divisor of...
Greatest common divisor of 72 and 24.
All right.
And then 72 minus 24, this is 50, this 2, 48.
Okay.
And we know 48 is 24 times 2.
Oh! All right. So what does that mean?
That means that the GCD is 24.
24, just like we found by factoring. So it turned out, in this case anyway, factoring was a little bit easier.
Yeah.
But the Euclidean algorithm also comes in handy, especially if you don't know how to factor or something.
Yeah.
And then the last thing we could do would be to list out all the divisors and just find out which one's greatest. But that seems like a lot of work, right?
Yeah.
Because if you can list out all the divisors, you know how to factor it.
Yeah.
So if you know how to factor it, you may as well use the prime factorization.
Yeah.
All right. Good job this morning, huh? Very good job.